10mm. I'm going to take the negative battery terminal off. And then we're going to lose. We got that. Put that right on there. And just tuck this out of the way so it doesn't touch the battery. Next, we're going to remove the two PVC connectors. This one is just push down on it, wiggle it, and it comes right off. Bring it on the other side. This one is push up and wiggle it. And the whole thing comes off. That's all right. Next, we got 8mm there and an 8mm clamp there. Let's get those off. Let's do this one first. That one. That's done. And then you just wiggle, twist, pull. That comes off there, and that comes off there. Put this out of the way. All right, here's your main dry belt. I've already replaced this one. And down here is your AC compressor belt. This is the stretch belts we're going to be replacing. I'll see if I can get you in on the other side for the the vacuum pump belt. Here is your vacuum pump stretch belt. We're going to be replacing this one as well. All right, we're going to get a 1/2-inch drive in this tensioner here and take this belt off. Just go to the left or down, unhook it from the alternator, release the pressure on there, and the belt will come right off. Just turn it sideways to get it from behind the tensioner and put that off to the side. Now's a good time to check all your pulleys. This feels pretty good. It's got a little bit of play in it. I want to replace that. Alternator feels pretty good. And we just did the water pump, so that's pretty good as well. All right, let's get the old AC belt off. You could take it off by hand, or the fastest way is to just get yourself a knife, cutter, and off it comes. We're gonna do the same for the air, the vacuum pump. Sorry, I keep calling it an air pump. And that comes off. Now we'll pull that out. Alright, here's what your belt looks like. It's very small, only a couple of ribs. That's one belt. Here's your air conditioning belt. About the same. The belts I chose are the Gates Micro V stretch fit belts. So let's put them on. Alright, here's the tools. You can use a 15/16 socket, or you can use a 24mm. This is a 6-point, which I recommend. I wouldn't use a 12-point, it might slip on you. Picked up this tool. We're going to use this tool to help us walk the belt on. Take that, put that over here. There's a small pulley on the back side of the, there you go, and that's in there. I'll take it down by the pulley, by the vacuum pump, and we'll use this tool to put it on. Alright, we got it wrapped around the crankshaft. Now we're going to put our tool in here. It does have a little notch, so it hangs out in the pulley. Get that notched in there. Put the belt over that. Put that in there. And then we're going to turn our crank, and we're going to walk this on. Let's see. Give him a little help as you're going around there. That tool's coming out. Let's Rotate it a little more. This thing's fully seated. It sounded like it clipped on. I did. Alright, so your vacuum belt is on. Very good. Alright, put a zip tie on here, and we're going to put the belt behind the crankshaft pulley. That'll give us enough slack, hopefully, to get it around the air conditioning, like so. Now, with the zip ties in place, we're going to try and walk this around. Have the zip ties hold it. Let's get on the crank here. Alright, let's start walking the belt. Watch the bottom, because it will start walking itself off of the AC. Walk it right around. Now it's on both pulleys. It's coming off. Oh my God! Go back the other way. And just walk it on. Just kind of work it. Keep your fingers there. Let's cut the zip tie. Get that a snip. Take that out. Go the other way. And just kind of walk it around in there. There we go. Now it's laying in the pulley. Keep boring this over. Belt's fully seated. That looks good. Seated in the grooves here, seated in the grooves there. Double check your vacuum pump, make sure that didn't get in the way, off the track anywhere. That looks good. Alright, let's put your main drive belt on. Alright, here's a serpentine belt. I'm going to go around the crank first. I'm going to put this behind the tensioner, like so. I'm going to come up, grab the water pump, put some tension on it, make sure it's sitting in all the grooves. Bring it over to your alternator. Grab your 1/2-inch drive, stick it in there, and just pry to the passenger side and put that on. Release the tension. Check all your pulleys. Look pretty good. And the pump is good, not going anywhere. Alright, we'll put the cover back on now. Start it. See how it looks. Put it in there. In there. Get that on there. Put that on there. Make sure the clamp lines up with the little tab here. And tighten it all up. Get that one on there. Tighten up the one for the throttle body. Let's do your 2 PVCs now. Or PCVs. There's one. Swing around the other side. Clip that on. That's on. Tighten up the clamp. not going anywhere. All right, let's go start it up. We'll take a look, see how it looks. All right, everything's on the pulleys. Everything's going around like it should. That's the vacuum pump and the main drive belt. Let's go take a look at the air conditioning. Alright, so that's mission accomplished. Stretch belts on the truck. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see some more content like this. And drop a comment down below. Let me know what I'm doing wrong or right. I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.